Hello, this video is going to be a bit different. In it, I want to talk about my upcoming goals for the year of 2026. Because we're now in the month of January, and I think now is a good time to plan ahead. So first of all, let's talk about what's going to be happening on this YouTube channel. You may have heard, but it seems like a while back, every YouTuber was affected by this. YouTube seemed to have made an algorithm change, and it meant that a lot of people were getting a lot less views. Luckily, I wasn't really affected by this too badly. I did get around 20,000 less views, although it does seem to have recovered now, and I think that's all good. That being said, I do feel like I was posting a lot less frequently on YouTube, so I am going to try and post around 2 videos per week if I can. Next, let's talk about courses. So I'm in the process of making this roadmap. I want to take people from knowing nothing about Unreal Engine to building games with Unreal Engine. As part of that, I made a completely free Unreal Engine beginner course. You can get a link to that in the description of the video. That course will teach you the basics of Unreal Engine. It has over 141 positive reviews on my site. That's part of my roadmap series, and I've almost finished my roadmap. So it starts with the free Unreal Engine beginner course. Then I have a course which teaches you the fundamentals of Unreal Engine. So it'll teach you everything it has, like Niagara, cinematics, blueprints, and more. And then after that, I've made a series where I'm going to create 5 games in Unreal Engine: Pong, Brick Breaker, Flappy Bird, a 2D platformer, and then a top-down shooter. And I plan to release the first part of that series for free on YouTube. That course should come out by the end of Q1 this year. Next, let's talk about asset packs. A while back, I actually used to release some asset packs on the Unreal Engine Marketplace, now called Fab, and I had an idea for one more asset pack. This asset pack will go quite well with the last course in my roadmap series, the course where we create 5 games. If you already have the courses on my site, you'll get this asset for free. But the idea behind it is every single game needs some systems. So every single game needs something like a main menu and a settings menu and so on. So I was going to basically create a bunch of universal things. So let's say a main menu and a settings menu as an asset pack, which you can then easily add to your game. And then this would be designed in a nice and good way. So it's easy to just add to your projects. And then included with this, if you think about it, so another thing every game needs is something like sound effects. So if you're making a platformer game, you need platformer sound effects and so on. So included in this asset pack, I could include a template of universal sound effects. The idea behind this asset is it will basically allow you to develop your games faster and include a bunch of universal things any game would need. So that's what I'm probably going to work on after I finish my roadmap series. And anyone enrolled in my site, when that releases, will get that for free. And then I'll also release that on Fab. Next, I want to talk about my game. So I'm in the process of developing my second commercial Steam game, Maha Island. I do think I will finish development of that this year. I have coded most of the core systems, and I hope to share the lessons I've learned from building that game and then releasing that game to this channel when I do that. So those are all of my goals for 2026. Let me know, what goals do you have? That's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.